So now we're going to show that we are at normal operating temperature, right? I'm traveling along 20 miles an hour. I'm going to do a hard brake. No stop start. Continue on. Normal acceleration. I come again to a stop. No stop start. Turning right. Step on the brake. Accelerate a little bit. Another good brake. Battery's charging. No stop start. Battery's charging. Hands off steering wheel. Complete stop. No stop start. Coasting. Braking. No stop start. Getting onto the interstate now. Normal acceleration. Turning off the AC. No seat heaters on. Radio's turned off. The only thing that's on is my headlights. I am in regular mode. There's Eco Pro, back into comfort mode, coasting down a hill, my battery's charging, I'm now exiting and stepping on the brake pretty hard, gas, brake, release the brake, stepping on the brake, coming to a stop. Normal operating temperature, no stop start. Carrying on. Pulling over to the right, hard brake, coming to a stop, no stop start. Another hard brake. Pressing down hard, moving forward a little, pressing on the brake again. No stop start. Accelerating. Coasting, having the battery charge. to a stop. No stop start. Wow, look at that operating temperature. Normal acceleration. Going up the hill now. By the way, the auto stop start button was not engaged. I don't know if you can see it. Now I'm turning it back on. So battery charging, coming around the corner. Back up to a red light. We're at normal operating temperature. Come to a stop. And we finally have stop start. Driving along. Coming up to a stoplight. Coasting. To a stop. We have stop start. So now stop start is working normally as it should. I pull over. As we come to a stop, it should work. It's on. I turn the car off. Set the parking brake. Get out. Open the door, shut the door, get in, press the start button, release the parking brake, put it in drive. You'll notice the start stop button is not turned off, and we're pulling away. Turning down the street. Battery's charging. Pull over to the side of the road. Rear stopped. No stop start. Get up to a good pace. Let the battery charge. Coming up to an intersection, press Pressing stop. No stop start. Coming up to a stop. No stop start. Braking. No stop start. Pretty sure that that's not working as designed.